All right, welcome to the video here. We're going to be covering today the 5-minute gap strategy, doing the weekly review for it. And if you're new here and you haven't watched the first 3 episodes, this is episode 4. Let's kind of go over what is the 5-minute gap strategy. So basically what we're looking for is the first gap to form after 10 a.m. So the gap strategy is going to be a 3-candle setup. Just kind of go over it with you. So you got the candle number 1 and candle number 3 here. If there's a gap between the high and the low of those 2 candles, then that's a gap. If it's a bearish gap, meaning red candles, it's on the move down, then we take a short. If it's a bullish, we take a long. Really that simple. Let's kind of go over the results for the first 3 weeks of this strategy. Now, we are using 1 mini on this strategy with a strict 2-to-1 risk to reward. You're not moving stops on this strategy. Unless you kind of hit the 75% mark, then you can lock in a 1-to-1 if you want to. But on this review, we're not moving stops. So week 1, we made $3,800. Week 2, we made $1,940. Week 3, we made $980 for a total of $6,720 over the first 3 weeks of the forward test. That is $2,240 a week using just 1 mini. So here we are on Monday. You guys can see up here on the screen. And so on this particular one, we would have been taking a short. Well, did we get tagged in? Yes. Price pushes right back up through us, tags us in here. We're short right there from 836 and the stop up there at 867. So this indeed would have been a loser. So that's 31 points on Monday, 31-point loser. Let's move over to Tuesday here. And we do already have these marked out because, we did take these trades. So on Tuesday, we would just find 10 a.m. Here's the gap. The first one that formed between 10 and 11 a.m. So we would have been taking a short here as well. So we'd be getting short right here at 748 and the stop at 784. So, yeah, so what is that? 784 to 748. Let me see, I'm struggling with math here. 784 to 748. Yeah, that's 36. So that would also be a loser, right? Because we got tagged in short right here, and it pushed up, stopped us out immediately for a 36-point loser. I had to get my calculator out here. Math is hard, guys. Math is hard. So let's take a look at Wednesday here. So we find 10 a.m. We can see we already got the gap marked out here. So here's the gap right here at the 10 a.m. candle. It can fall on the 10 a.m. candle. That's fine. So we would get tagged in short here at 745. Stop up here at 783. Did it hit our stop? It did not. So if we got a 745 tag in and a 784, we'll just say 785 just to keep it even. That's 40 handles. So we'd be looking for 80 handle take profit. So our take profit will be down here at the 64s. Did we hit it? Yes, we did. So this would be an 80 handle winner right here on Wednesday. So let's go ahead and go over to Thursday and take a look and see how we fared on Thursday. See, we had a big move up there on Thursday. So let's find the 10 a.m. candle. So here's 10 a.m., 10:30. So here's the gap right here. So on Thursday, this is an interesting one. So price does not come back and tag us in. You can see price came close, 5 or 6 handles away, but it did not tag us in, and then it went. And we never got tagged in. So Thursday was indeed a no trade day. So Friday is going to kind of be our make or break for this week. Right now we're a little bit green for the week. So if we have a green Friday, then obviously we'll have a green week. If we have a red Friday, we'll have a red week. So let's find the 10 a.m. candle. So there's 10 a.m. So let's move over. Okay. So here's the gap right here. Let's go ahead and mark it out. I don't know what that is. I'll move that out of the way. Stop would be right here at the top of candle number 1. And we'd be getting short right there from 994, we'll just call it. So 15,033 minus 14,994. So that's 39 handles. So we're looking for 78 handles in profit. So if we're tagged in from 994 minus 78, so we're looking for 916. So let's go ahead and mark out 916 here. Right there. So do we hit it? Do we get tagged in? Yes, we get tagged in. Does it hit our stop? No. Does it go to the target? Yes, it does. So that's a 78 handle winner on Friday. So let's do some quick math from this week. So on Monday, we had a 31 handle loser plus a 36 handle loser. That's 67 points. Then we had an 80 handle winner and a 78 handle winner. So for this week, we're up 91 points on this particular strategy. And that would yield you $1,820 this week. We go ahead and add that to our total already for the previous 3 weeks, $6,720, puts us at $8,540 through 4 weeks. We divide that by 4 to get our total. We're averaging $2,135 per week. Now that's kind of stayed pretty consistent there on this particular strategy. And this strategy, when I did the back test, oddly enough, was running right at about a 49% win percentage. And in this forward test here, it seems as though we're probably front running that a little bit. We're probably around 55, 56% on this strategy. But that being said, there are some no trades, right? There's some days in there where you don't get trades. But this strategy is yielding much larger profits. Now you may ask yourself, did we take every trade and follow the rules this week? The answer is yes, we did. Today, I did make a mistake and I moved my stop. So when we moved past the 34, I locked in a 1-to-1, which would have been basically 54. My stop would have been at 54 right here. So you can see we moved down and then we pushed back up, hit my stop, and then we went to the target. And this is why I say you really shouldn't be moving your stop. There's no reason for me to move my stop on this strategy on this day, but I did. And then on Wednesday, I started using the copy trader on Wednesday on a bunch of eval accounts. And I had an account get stuck. I had some orders get stuck. And while we were just barely in the green here, I hit cancel all on my order book for the positions. So I have a positions tab here, and it had the copy trader had all the positions open, and I just hit close all. So it closed every position, including this position. So it was a little bit frustrating. I missed out on the profit on whatever day that was, Wednesday. So I missed out on 80 handles of profit on Wednesday. And what did that cause me to do? So we got, basically today I got about 40 handles in profit, and we had 67 handles in the red. So we're down about 27 handles on this strategy this week just because of that error and because today I kind of broke the rules. So just goes back to the old saying there, you got to follow the rules, and there's no need to move your stop in this strategy, really. You should just let it play out and see what happens. So that's it with this strategy. We are going to be live 9:15 a.m. Monday morning. We do stream 5 days a week if you're new here. So if you're interested in seeing these strategies traded live, please join us. And if you are interested in trading futures, Apex does currently have a 90% off sale. There's a link in the description down below, as well as the coupon code. Bulenox also is running a 90% off sale. Link and coupon code down below in the description for that as well. And then obviously Topstep still there. $49 for a 50K account. If you're new to Topstep, we do recommend them just because they don't have the intraday drawdown. They do have the daily stop loss, which some people don't like, but I mean, it's completely up to you which ones you want to choose. And once again, we appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you next time.